Hello friends, my name is Rabbi. Welcome to my channel. Today I am saying about Sainik Schools. Sainik Schools are a system of schools in India established and managed by Sainik School Society and the Ministry of Defence. They were convened in 1961 by V.K. Krishnamenon, the then Defence Minister of India, to rectify the regional and caste imbalance amongst the officer cadre of the Indian military and to prepare students for entry to the National Defence Academy, NDA, Kadalwasa, Pune and Indian Naval Academy. Today there are 33 such schools running and proposed for future covering all the states. They will start giving application forms in first week of August and the final date to submit is third week of September. The date of entrance exam is first week of January and the publication of merit list, roll number, medical exam and issue call letters will be in February 2021. Medical exam February 2021. Publication of final merit list including will be in March 2021. For class 6 the age must be between 10 to 12 years. The entrance test will be only for boys, candidate only for admission in 6th to 9th. For the Sainik School admission 2021 to 2022, boys in 9th class must study in 8th class that time, and for 6th class they must study in 5th. The admission will be based on the merit list of the examination. The language in the exam will be English or local language of the state for class 6 and for class 9 it is only English language. The candidate belonging to general and defence category should pay 400 rupees for application form and SC and ST should pay 250 rupees for application form. The payment can be done by demand draft or online. There will be two papers, paper 1, paper 2. The first paper containing maths and language ability. The paper 2 is containing intelligence test. The question paper maths will be 50 questions for each 3 marks and GK will be 25 questions each 2 marks. Language will be 25 questions each 2 marks and intelligence also will be 25 questions each 2 marks. The total marks are for 300 marks. 15% of total seats are reserved for scheduled castes and 7 1/2 seats are for scheduled tribes. Out of remaining 67% of seats are reserved for boys from the state in which the Sainik School is located. Rest 33% left will be thrown open to boys from other states and union territories in the ratio of their population. Any unutilized seats in this category will be merged with the home state seats. 25% of seats are reserved for the children of service personnel including EX servicemen. So now we will see how to apply for Sainik School admission form. The Sainik School admission 2021 application form is made available online. The candidates interested keep in touch with the official website. The instructions for filling the application form will be provided there. The candidates check the eligibility criteria before the filling application form. The candidates can get the direct link to the application form on the official site. After that they need to fill all the necessary details asked in the application form and then submit. So I am giving the steps how to application form. First open the official website www.sainiksschooladmission.in. Click on new registration, provide the details required in the online application form. After that submit it. Pay application fee. Upload the documents asked in the form. Submit the form. Take a print for future purpose. The admit card will be available on the official website. The admit card won't be sent to the candidate through a post. The candidate has to download it from the official site. The admit card is released a few days before the examination. The result would be declared 1 month after the examination, mostly like in the month of February. Visit the official site and check the results. So I'm saying 21 Sainik schools. Sainik School Golapur, Sainik School Jaipur, Sainik School Jaipur, Sainik School Goda, Sainik School Sabalpur, Sainik School Alwar, Sainik School Uttar Pradesh, Sainik School Mantihain, Sainik School Jhansi, Sainik School Chandrapur, Sainik School Pali, Sainik School Bilsapur, Sainik School Mumbai, Sainik School Raipur, Sainik School Dausa, Sainik School Jabalpur, Sainik School Udaipur, Sainik School Kashmir, Sainik School Leh, Sainik School Port Blair, Sainik School Kalkiri, Sainik School Gorkonda. These are the Sainik schools in India. There are still some Sainik schools, but I know these Sainik schools, so I'm saying these Sainik schools. So if you see the fees, tuition fees will be 79,860. The dietary charges will be 32,450. The clothing fee will be 1,500. The pocket money will be 1,500. So this is the information about Sainik school. Who wants to join this school? Say to me. I will give guidance, more videos. So please subscribe my channel and get the notification. Thank you.